Hey guys, welcome back to the Circleville YouTube channel. Have a little quickie amazing deal for you. The price is not $99, it gets better than that. But it's the Milwaukee M12 compact inflator. It comes with the 2 amp hour battery and the charger. I have this inflator. I also have the DeWalt 20 volt inflator, and this one's better. When they both worked, the DeWalt one's broken now, thanks DeWalt. When they both worked, this 12 volt inflator was actually faster. It's also more compact. I just generally like this one better than the DeWalt one. So if one was going to break, I guess I'm glad it was the DeWalt. But anyway, Northern Tool, it's $99 and free shipping, but they also have a key code, as they call it. And I'll link to this page down below, but the key code is 274198. And that takes $20 off orders of $100 or more. So this is $99. We've got to get to $1 extra. So I added this bit here, and you can see it's $3.59. So once you get over that threshold, when you're at your cart screen, there's a little link that says promo code or key code, and you enter the key code, you apply, and it brings it down. Now, you could save yourself a couple dollars more if you can find something that's $1, but you have to find something that's also free shipping. Otherwise, the first item I added wasn't free shipping, and they wanted to charge me $7 shipping, so that was no good. I found another item. It was a glove for $1.59, or probably 2 gloves, but in any case, $1.59, and it said free shipping, but then it said something about this is a hazardous thing, and we have to call you to confirm shipping. And I'm like, what the hell is this? So anyway, when I added this bit and added the inflator, it said free shipping and 82, I believe 59. Here's the side of my cart here. 102.59, $20 coupon, 82.59. And we can see the comparables. Home Depot has it for $99, but they're out of stock. Acme Tools $99, but there's going to be a shipping charge added to that. Tool Nut $119 and International Tool $149. So getting the whole kit, battery and charger for 82 bucks. Amazing. Link down below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.